Considering the advancement in agentic AI, should we be scared or excited? And who's going to lose their job?
See, in 1970s, there were these ATM machines that got launched. And the obvious thing was that a lot of the tellers would lose their job. From 1970 to now, there are more branches, a lot more physical branches that are there, a lot more ATMs, and there are still a lot more tellers that are there inside the bank. The difference is tellers earlier would only do one job of just taking cash, making a note, and to now they're able to do a lot more. They don't just collect cash, but they're also understanding the consumer's problem as the consumer enters the bank. They're also able to go a lot more deeper in the way they're building the relationship. So net, AI agents will follow the same pattern. Most roles don't disappear. They just transform. So it's going to be a lot more harder problems to be solved than trying to solve simpler things. There are three layers of work as you think, right? There is an execution work, there's a coordination work, and a judgment work. And when you think of these three layers, execution work is repetitive task, data entry, report building, scheduling, all of that. You have coordination work, which is basically managing workflows, handoffs between teams, cross-functional dependencies, so on and so forth. And the last work is basically the judgment work, the strategy, the creativity, decisions that require human wisdom and empathy. Now, these are three broad contours. I just want you to look at it. AI agents may replace the first two layers, which is the execution work and the coordination work. They're very good at execution and coordination. So judgment work, the top layer work, becomes the place where most of us will then end up spending a lot of time. I just want you to look at the org chart changes that are there, right? Look at the left one. That's today's organization. The right one is where you see the tomorrow's organization, right? So if you map it, the senior leadership in today's world does strategy. In tomorrow's organization, the senior leadership would be doing strategy plus system design. Like, how do you really design an AI system is going to be a very, very important job profile that you would start looking at from the senior leadership. The middle management today does a lot of coordination. The way it'll evolve is you'll have to oversee and find the right ways in which the agentic systems are working. So that's how you'll see the mid-management managers, senior managers kind of evolving in ensuring predictability about the output in the system that you build. And lastly, the teams that do execution work today will have to be looking at probably doing what the managers are doing. So they are getting pushed to the mid and the top level. And that's where you see agents doing an execution and coordination. So that's one area where perhaps you'll see agents doing a lot better, but the rest, you're upskilling.
If this clip gave you value, please subscribe to this channel so that we can keep bringing you game-changing business insights.